Hey there, service pros. This is Christian from Workiz. In this video, we're going to talk about how to manage all of the non-job activities you want to include in your schedule. In Workiz, you'll do this with a simple feature known as events. Events are a great way to help you stay on top of activities that aren't related to jobs on your schedule, things like meetings, personal appointments, or administrative tasks. Let's show you how it works. No need to enable anything in the Feature Center for this one. You should have access to events simply by having a Workiz account. We'll just hit the Create New button over here on the left and select Event. The rest of this is pretty simple. Just give this event a title, description, assign to one, some, or all of your team members, some scheduling details, and that's it. Your event should be added to your schedule and ready to go. We'll just head over to our schedule, and there's the event we just created. We can quickly open it up to make any changes, like assigning it to more team members or changing the status from open to done. You can also create events right from the schedule by clicking and dragging anywhere on the calendar. The assigned team member and time slot will be automatically applied based on where you click on the schedule. Okay, quick side note before we close this one out. As we mentioned, events are designed for non-job activities. If you want to create a task that exists within a job, you'll want to use a different feature known as, you guessed it, tasks. Tasks are a great way to help you easily manage complex, process-oriented jobs. Check out the link in the description below to learn more. Feel free to subscribe to this channel for all the latest on how Workiz can help your business grow. Thanks for watching.